So good morning.
Morning is no.
Last class we discussed addition of two-digit numbers, and we use a vertical or column addition. Are you remembering?
Yes, ma'am.
And today we are
Yeah.
going to discuss another method of addition. We completed 3 methods of addition. Can you remember which are the methods we completed, discussed in the previous classes? First one,
Line.
addition using fingers. Addition using fingers. And second one, addition using number line. Okay. And third one, vertical or column addition. And today we are going to discuss another method of addition. Okay. And this is uh, very easy, and let me discuss with the examples. Okay, so I'm going to share the screen now. When ma'am will say to take your notebook, that time only you take the notebook. That much time listen to ma'am. Okay, and in between no need to ask me, ma'am I write, ma'am I write. No need to ask me, and no need to disturb the class. Okay, so listen to ma'am. When ma'am will tell you to open the notebook, that much time listen, and no need to open the notebook. Okay, so listen to ma'am. So today we are going to add the numbers mentally. Today we are going to add the numbers mentally. What is the meaning about this mentally? It is related to mind. Okay, let us see some examples. All of you please close your eyes. All of you please close your eyes. It's only 25 today. Close your eyes. Ma'am will tell you when you have to open your eyes. Okay, that much time. Please close your eyes. Ayan, please close your eyes. Isa Maria, what are you doing? Close your eyes. It will help you to improve your concentration. That's why. Agamme can't close your eyes. Okay, it's okay. Now you can open your eyes. Okay, now you became fresh. So listen to ma'am. So today we are going to discuss what ma'am said, another method of addition. Okay, and what is the method? We are adding the numbers mentally. It's related to mind. That's why I said to close your eyes. Okay, so we completed 3 methods of addition, and today we are going to discuss another method of addition. It's very good. If you are adding big numbers, it's very applicable for that. Okay, so let me share the screen again. Okay, and listen to me. So if you are adding 2 and 3, see, very easy, no? If you are taking 2 in one hand, another 3 we are taking together, we are keeping, and we get the answer. 2 plus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's very easy. Yes or no? Antonio, 2 plus 3. What is the answer, Antonio? Antonio, 2 plus 3. What is the answer? Aaron, listen here. We are studying math. It's 5 only. Okay, it's 5 only. It's very easy. Small numbers, no, that we can take in our fingers. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
But if you are adding, listen, ma'am. See, 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5. Aaron, listen here. Where are you looking and laughing? 6 plus 5. Aaron, show me your fingers. 6 plus 5. How we will add using our fingers? Show me, Aaron. Okay. If you want to take 6 fingers, that means we have to use both hands, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. Again, we have to take 5 more, but we have only 4 remaining. What we will do? Only we have 10 fingers, no? So it's a problem for you. You may think how I will add. If it is 6 and 5, we cannot take in our fingers. So that time we can use this method, or any time we can use this method. Here we are adding 6 plus 5. Okay, 6 plus 5. So here we are adding the numbers mentally. How we will add the numbers mentally? Think about the
11.
numbers. 6 and 5. One way of
11.
adding, listen to ma'am here. One way of adding is you can take one of the number in your mind. You can keep one of the number in your mind, or bigger number you can keep in your mind. It's better you keep the bigger number. Okay. Here we are adding 6 and 5. Which is a bigger number, Aaron? Aaron, which is a bigger number in 6 and 5? Which is a bigger number in 6 and 5? 6. So 6 we can keep it in our mind. Okay. And which is the next number? 5. That we can take in our finger. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We took 5. So which number we keep it in the mind? And we took next number in our finger.
No sound.
No sound.
Yes.
What about others? Can you hear, ma'am?
No.
Listen. Let me out. One here, ma'am. Just Rakshakan here, ma'am. Can you hear? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Others, Hiba, can you hear?
Yes.
Agamya, can you hear?
Yes.
If you cannot hear, please keep your connection. Okay? I'm going to play the screen again and listen to me. So
No sound.
here everything is okay. No problem. And the mic is also very near to my mouth also. So listen here. So 6 and 5. Okay. Here we can see the bigger number is 6. So 6 we will keep in our mind, and 5 we will take in our fingers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Now we can count forward. Which number we keep in our mind? 6. So after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what is the last number we got it? That is 11. So what is the answer? 11. How we add mentally? How we add mentally? You can keep a bigger number in your mind and smaller number in your fingers. Okay. Here we can see 6 is the bigger number in 6 and 5. So 6 we can keep in your mind. 5 you can take in your fingers. Okay. So after 6, that is very important. After 6, which number you are keeping in your mind? After that you have to count. After 6 we have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So we will get the answer 11. Let us try one more. Okay. Let us try one more. See, 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2. So here which is a bigger number? Antonio, listen to ma'am. Antonio, listen to ma'am. 7 and 2. Which is a bigger number in 7 and 2?
7.
7. So 7 we can keep in our mind. 2 we can take in our fingers. Okay. Now after 7, which number we are keeping in our mind? After that we have to count forward. Okay. So after 7 we have 8, 9.
9.
8, 9. So which is the last number we got it?
9.
What is the answer? 9.
9.
Okay. Let us try another one. 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5. Let me ask. Hiba, 9 plus 5. Which is a bigger number here?
9.
9. So 9 we can keep in our mind. 5 we can take in our fingers. Show me the fingers 5. Okay. So now count forward after 9. Okay. Which number we are taking our mind? After that we have to count. So after 9, count. 10,
11,
ah,
12,
ah.
13.
5 we have to count. No, did you take 5 fingers?
Yes,
Ah,
40.
9 plus 5 is equal to 14.
40.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the last number is 14. Okay. Now let us try another one. Okay. Now Nasia, unmute and tell me. Okay. 8 plus 5. So here which is a bigger number in 8 and 5, Nasia? 8 and
8.
5. Which is a bigger
8.
number? 8. So 8 we can keep it in our mind. 5 we can take in our fingers. Okay. So show me the fingers. I didn't see the fingers. Okay. Now count forward. All of you can show. All of you can. 9,
9, 10, 11,
uh,
12,
uh.
13.
Very good. So what is the answer?
30.
13. Okay. Now let us see another one. Ananda Padmanabhan, unmute. Ananda Padmanabhan, unmute. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4. Okay. So which is a bigger number in 9 and 4?
9.
9. So 9 we can keep it in our mind. 4 we can take in our fingers.
10, 11,
Show me the fingers.
12, show your fingers. 30.
After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the answer is 13. Okay, good. Now 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7. Niva, 5 and 7. Which is a bigger number?
7.
Very good. So 7 we can keep it in our mind. 5 we can take in our fingers. Okay, now show me the fingers and count forward.
8,
Ah.
9, 10, 11, 12.
What is the answer?
12.
Very good. The answer is 12. Now Agamya, listen to me and tell me the answer. 7 plus 3. Agamya, which is a bigger number in 7 and 3? Which is a bigger number in 7 and 3? Tell me the answer. Listen to me. 7. Then which is the next number? 3. So 3 we can take in our fingers. Show me the fingers. 3. Show me the fingers. 3. Okay. Now count after 7. After 7 we have 8, 9, 10. So what is the answer, Agamya?
10.
The answer is 10. Okay, good. Now let me ask another one. Isa Maria, unmute. 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6. So which is a bigger number in 7 and 6? Which is a bigger number in 7 and 6?
7.
7. 7 we can keep it in our mind. 6 we have to take. Okay, in finger we have to take 6. Now after 7, show me the finger and count forward. After 7, 8, 9, 10,
10, 11,
11.
12, 13.
What is the answer, Isa?
13.
Very good. The answer is 13. Okay. Now we will move to another one. 6 plus 6. Febansia. 6 plus 6. Both the numbers are same. So one of the number we can keep it in our mind. Another number we can take in our fingers. Okay. So show me the fingers. 6. 6 you keep it in the mind and 1 6 you take in your fingers. Okay. Now count forward. After 6.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
So what is the answer?
12.
Very good. Now Shri Parvati, listen to me. See, 8 plus 4. So which is a bigger number here? Which is a bigger number? 8. We can keep it in our mind. 4 we can take in our fingers. Okay. Now show me the fingers 4 and count forward.
9,
8, 9, 10.
12.
What is-
12.
Very good. The answer is 12. Okay. Now, Nahana, tell me answer. Okay. 6 plus 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. Nahana, 6 plus 3. Which is a bigger number?
6.
6. So
6.
that you can keep it in our mind. 3 you take in your fingers. And tell me the answer. After 6 we have
7,
uh,
8,
uh,
9,
uh,
10.
why we are moving to 10 and all? We are taking only 3 fingers, no, Nahana. 3 fingers. So after 6, which will come? 7, 8, 9. Is there any other finger? No finger, no? So which is the last number?
9,
So what is the answer?
9.
Very good, very good. Okay. Now let me ask Rudraksh. Rudraksh, listen to ma'am. Okay. You have 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. Rudraksh, 8 plus 5. Which is the bigger number in 8 and 5?
8.
8. So that we can keep it in our mind. 5 we can take in our fingers. Show me the finger and count forward. Very good. Okay. Now count after 8.
10,
After
11,
8.
12,
13.
13.
So what is the answer?
13.
Very good. The answer is 13. Okay. Now let me ask Anna Rose. Anna Rose, listen to ma'am. Okay, let me rub all this. Okay, Anna
Yes,
Rose,
ma'am.
and your number is 9 plus 5. Show me in fingers. 9 plus 5. Which is a bigger number? 9 and 5.
9.
Okay. So 5 you can take in your fingers. 9 you keep in your mind. Show me the 5 fingers and count forward.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
So the answer is
14.
okay. The answer is 14. Good girl. Okay. Now let me ask Agnes Aji, unmute. 6 plus 5. Agnes, 6 plus 5. So bigger number you keep it in your mind. 5 you take in the fingers. So 6 we can keep it in our mind. 5 you can take in your finger. Show me the finger and count forward.
7,
Uh,
8,
uh,
9,
uh,
10,
uh.
11.
What is the answer?
11.
What is the answer?
11.
Very good, very good. Okay. Aldrina, listen to ma'am. Your question. 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6. Which is the bigger number, Aldrina?
8.
So that you keep it in your mind. 6 you take in your fingers and count forward. Okay. After 8.
9.
10.
10. 11.
Continue.
12, 13, 14, 15. 14.
Show me the fingers once more. Show me the fingers once more. 6 fingers, show me. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't look at your mothers. Listen to ma'am. Okay. Show me the fingers. Show me the fingers. Show me the fingers. Okay. Now count after 8, 9.
9, 10, 11, 12,
uh.
13, 14.
What is the answer then?
14.
The answer is 14. Okay. Now, Bhuvana, listen to me. And your question is 9 plus 3. Bhuvana, 9 plus 3, which is a bigger number?
9.
9. So that you keep it in your mind and 3 you take in your finger. Okay. Now, count. After 9, we have 10, 11, 10, 11, 12. So what is the answer? 12. Okay, okay. The answer is 12. Badra, listen to me. And your question, 6 plus 6 plus 6. What is the answer? 6 plus 6. Both numbers are same. So one of the number you keep it in your mind. One you can take in the finger. And after that you count forward.
7,
Uh,
8,
uh,
9,
uh,
10,
uh,
11,
uh.
12,
So what is the answer?
12,
Okay, good. Now let me ask. Evelyn, listen to me. Okay. 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6. Evelyn, 8 and 6. Which is a bigger number?
8,
So 8 you keep it in your mind. 6 you take in your finger and count forward. After 8,
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
tell me. What is the answer?
14.
14. The answer is 14. Okay. Now, Angela, listen to me. Your question is
Yes, ma'am.
7 plus 4. 7 plus 4. Bigger number is? Seven plus 4. Keep it in the mind, the bigger number. Which is a bigger number here? 7 and 4. Which is a bigger number?
11,
The bigger number is 7. When we add 7 plus 7 plus 4, we will get 11.
11.
Okay. The answer is 11. Now,
Antonio. 11.
Ayan, listen to me and tell me the answer. 6 plus 8. What is the answer? 6 plus 8. 6 and 8. Which is a bigger number? Ayan?
8.
So that you can keep it in your mind. 6 you can take in your finger. Show me the finger and count.
Ma'am, 1, 2, 9.
See which number is in your mind?
Ma'am,
Three.
right.
Okay. So after 8 you have to count.
Ma'am, right. 9,
Please be quiet.
10, 11,
Ah,
12,
ah,
13. Ma'am, right. 40.
So what is the answer?
Right. 40.
Answer 40.
Ma'am, right.
Mr. Lily, where are you? What ma'am told in the beginning, ma'am will tell you when you have to open and write. You didn't hear. You joined late only. That's why you're asking in between. It's for you next question. Tell me the answer. Okay. So 6,
Okay, ma'am.
6 plus 7. Tell me the answer. No need to write there. Listen to ma'am, Isabel. 6 plus 7. So which is a bigger number in 6 and 7? In 6 and 7, which is a bigger number?
7.
That you can keep it in your mind. 6 you take in your fingers and show me the fingers, or also tell me the answer. After 7, after 7, count 8. 6 you show me in your fingers. 6 you show me in your fingers. Okay, now 6 came. Then count after 7. After 7 we have. After 7, this is 6, no? 8, 9,
13.
11, 12, 13. Show me your fingers once more. Show me your fingers once more and tell me the answer. I can't see you. Isabel Lily, where are you? Okay. Now, show me 6 fingers. Show me 6 fingers. Okay. Count after 7. 8, 9,
9, 10, 11,
good.
12,
Ah,
13.
So what is answer, Isabel Lily? What is answer?
13.
Ah, the answer is 13. Good girl. The answer is 13. Okay. Now we are moving to the next one. Let me see.
Ma'am, Antonia.
I will ask you. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, Antonio. Tell me the answer. 6 plus 4. What is answer, Antonio? 6 and 4. Which is a bigger number here? 6 and 4. How many fingers you are taking, Antonio? Listen to ma'am. First of all, 6 and 4. Which is a bigger number? Antonio, listen to ma'am. Which is a bigger number?
7. 6.
6. That you keep it in your mind and only take 4 in your fingers. Okay. Now after 6. Now count. After 6.
7.
7, 8, 9.
9.
Uh,
10.
so what is the answer, Antonio?
10.
10. Okay. The answer is 10. Now let me check. Did I miss anyone?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Did I ask everybody? Did I miss anyone?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So all of you please take your notebook and pencil. All of you please take your notebook and pencil.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you can write A D D I T I O N. A D D I T I O N.
Okay, ma'am.
O F.
Completed.
Is you have to open your notebook and write. Isabel, please be quiet. Okay, you are a good girl. I know you completed. Okay. Addition of TWO. Addition of 2. Addition of 2. 1 digit. Addition of 2 1 digit numbers. Mentally. ADDITION. Addition. OFOTWO. 2 1 hyphen DIGIT. Digit. Numbers. 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 Mentally. MENTALY. Addition of 2 1 digit numbers mentally. And we have the first question A. Karthik, can you hear, ma'am? Karthik, can you hear, ma'am? Okay, okay. And the first question is 2 plus 5. So, Karthik, which is a bigger number here? 2 and 5, which is a bigger number?
5.
5. So that you can keep it in your mind. And 2 you can take in your fingers. Okay, so after 5, count and tell me the answer. After 5 we have 6, 7. No, 2 fingers are there, no? So 6, 7. So what is answer? 7. Some videos are not seen. So 6 plus 3. Next one. Diya, can you hear, ma'am? Diya? I didn't see your video, but you are there in the participants. That's why. Diya, can you hear, ma'am? Diya, can you hear, ma'am? Okay. So 6 plus 3. So which is a bigger number? 6 is the bigger number. So that we can keep it in your mind. 3 you can take in your fingers. Okay. So after 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the answer? 9. Okay, right. And next one, C. And C we have 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5. So 6 we can keep it in your mind. 5 we can take in your fingers. So after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what is answer?
11.
11. Very good. And next we have D. And D we have 4 plus 1. What will come 4 plus 1? Are you remembering? When we are adding 1 to a number, we will get the next number. So what is the answer? 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. What is the answer? 4 plus 1?
5.
5.
5.
And next we have 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9. So 8 and 9. Which is a bigger number?
8.
8 and 9. Which is a bigger number?
9.
9. So 9 we can keep it in the mind. And 8 you can take in the finger. Okay, 8 you can take in the finger. Now count after 9. So after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Very good. So the answer is 17. And next one, F. And F we have 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. Here 5 is a bigger number, so that we can keep it in our mind. 4 we can take in our fingers. So after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the answer?
9.
9. G. Seven plus 4. 7 plus 4. So 7 is a bigger number that we can keep it in our mind. 4 we can take in our fingers. Okay. So after 7, 8, 9, 10,
11.
11. So what is answer? 11.
11.
And the last question, H. And H we have 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8. So both the numbers are same. So one number we can keep it in our mind. Another number we can take in our fingers. So 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 we took in our fingers. Now we can count after 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
16.
16. So the answer is 60. The answer is 60. So is it clear to you all today's topic?
Yes, ma'am.
So today we add the numbers mentally. How we done? We took the bigger number in the mind and smaller number in our fingers, and we count after the bigger number. Okay. Okay, very good. So
Ma'am, it's completed.
okay, very good, very good.
Ma'am, it's completed.
Okay, good. Please be quiet, all of you. Please be quiet. So I'm going to winding up the session today. So thank you for joining. We will meet you
Thank you, ma'am.
on
Bye-bye,
Wednesday.
ma'am.
Okay.
Bye-bye,
So
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
happy
Bye-bye.
holidays.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye.